Okay, so here we are at the last supercharge with the Model Y. Bye. And look, there's Scott. He's gonna give us a ride after we sell it. But we are dropping it off to the new owner. And there it is. There it is. Okay, so we have officially dropped off the Model Y to its new owner and no longer own a Model Y. But before we get too much into that, real quick, I want to mention, whenever you sell a Tesla, make sure you go in and do a factory reset. The great thing about that, though, is it is now where you have to enter in your credentials, your email address, and your password that the car is tied to be able to reset everything. But that's going to remove anything that could tie it to you. So if you're trading in a car, selling it privately, whatever, make sure you do that. It's a security issue.
So you'll clear out your home address, your work address, all where all your favorites that you might have in there, where you've driven recently,
your music, stuff like that.
Home link, all of that.
Oh yeah, home link's a big one. So definitely make sure you do that because security issues, you never really know, especially if you're trading in a car, who's gonna get it, whatever. Just make sure you do that. Okay, so yeah, we no longer own a Model Y, which is kind of saddening. It was a great car. But if you watch our live streams and watch some of our other videos, you know, we're getting another one. So we really wanted a white on white to kind of match the Model S here. Now, originally when Tesla started building their Model Ys, there were only a handful with white interior, and I didn't even see any white on white. I saw like some red and some blue exterior.
Very rare.
Yeah, so unfortunately, we couldn't get that as our first choice, so that is why we ended up with the Midnight Silver Metallic and Black interior, which was a great car. That color really grew on me. But we really wanted the white on white, so that is why we have sold our Model Y and are going to be picking up a white on white Model Y. As you know, if you watch our live stream, we actually mentioned it in our live stream that we are going to sell it, potentially, or either trade it in. Now, trading in here in Colorado is very beneficial for the party trading in, because you get tax credit savings, so you only pay tax on the difference in valuation. It's a brand new car. It didn't take that much of a depreciation hit, so the nice thing is we would have made up several $1,000s there, as well as switching the plates over to it. So I mentioned on the live stream that I would sell it for the trade-in price, plus the tax credit savings, plus the plate savings. And I wasn't looking to make any money. It was just gonna help somebody out, and actually somebody named Roger, I won't say where he's at or anything because I don't know if he wants that out there, messaged me and said, hey, I'd be interested, and I sent him a price, and he was actually out here the following week on some family stuff and picked it up. It was great to meet him, his wife, his family, and everything. I'm sad to see it go, but I know it got a great home. We've had a few cars go to subscribers, so that's always kind of fun. He got a great deal on it too, which is great. Didn't pay retail. And
it was like new car. I mean, I think there's only a little over 2,000 miles.
2,000 miles, but it had some great accessories.
It still had the new car smell.
It did.
I mean, it was only 3
his
months.
wife actually mentioned that.
She thought we got a detail, but no, that was still the new car smell because it was less than 3 months old.
Yeah, but I mean, we left the tow hitch on there, all the accessories.
Oh, like your matte screen protector and your
the center console, all that. The one thing I actually totally forgot that was an extra that we left on there was the home link, which we were going to leave on there anyway. But that was a $300 accessory that we just left with it. It's fine. I already ordered one for the new Y. It gets here tomorrow, actually. So soon, a new Model Y will be joining the household.
But which one?
Oh, yeah, well, I guess there's that.
Because we said white on white.
Yeah, so we actually have 2 orders in right now. One for a white on white all-wheel drive, one for a white on white performance. And we haven't said which one we're going to get yet. I don't know. Comment down below, which one do you think we should get, or which one would you get if you had the choice? They both have their perks. The nice thing with the white on white all-wheel drive is it's cheaper. And it comes standard with those factory 19-inch Geminis.
So a little bit better range from the factory.
Exactly. Whereas the performance is going to go a little bit faster. It's going to come with the 21-inch rims, which are heavy, not going to lie.
Quicker, too. Not just faster, but also quicker.
Yep. But also those 21-inch rims are going to take a pretty big hit on range. So you're going to go from like 315 down to 280. So that's like 35 miles. That's a pretty big hit. You will get the red brake calipers, which is awesome. The carbon fiber spoiler, which is awesome. The aluminum pedals, nice little touch. But all those things you can do aftermarket too. So, I don't know. Have some choices to make. I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone's going to be able to guess what I'm going to do.
Well, also,
we'll leave it at that.
Yeah, and also we wanted the tow hitch on both of them.
Right.
But
only the all-wheel drive has the tow hitch.
Because
factory.
Yeah, because basically when we placed the order, we were locked in at the old price before they offered the tow hitch on the performance model. And if we were to add the tow hitch, it would have raised the price plus the price of the tow hitch.
It would have put us into the new price bracket for Model Y, which is $1,000 more, plus $1,000 for the tow hitch. It would have been $2,000 more. Whereas, say we buy the performance, you can actually order that now for $1,200. Installed through the service center and everything. So it didn't really make sense to do that, but also it could have potentially delayed that order if we decide to go with that.
If we decide that we don't really necessarily need it right away, so we can save $800.
Exactly.
But it'd be nice if you could install it yourself, because you know we do have experience installing tow hitches.
We do. And I imagine the wiring harness is pretty straightforward. It just attaches into that and then probably has a front mount so that you can easily get to it. So, I mean, maybe we could install the OEM version, maybe. Been a lot of people asking what's the deal with it, especially in like the live streams, why we're selling it or trading it in. But the goal all along was just to trade the Y in. The fact that somebody was willing to like buy it for my price that I would have gotten from Tesla and everything just worked out great in their favor so that they could save some money over new.
Yeah, they got an almost new car. So.
But yeah, super excited to introduce you guys to the new Y coming to the channel soon. As always, huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you guys are looking to accessorize your Model SX3 and now Model Y, definitely check them out. All linked down below, and using code Tesla Inventory will get you 15% off of your first purchase. My two must-have accessories are definitely going to be a matte screen protector. They make them for SX3 and Y, and they really help cut down any glare from the sun and help reduce fingerprints, because again, that center screen is probably one of the most touched things in this car, as well as a center console wrap for both Model 3 and Y. Really helps protect that piano black that Tesla uses. It's very scratch prone and fingerprint prone, which really shows a lot of dust, and a wrap is really just an easy way to protect that. As always though, a thumbs up if you enjoyed that video. Go ahead and click here to subscribe, here for some other ones, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.